Hey guys, so I think the Amazon truck is outside and my packages are here for all of my equipment. I'm so freaking excited. Hold on, let me show you guys. Yes, I'm so excited. It's my new camera. I'm gonna do an unboxing, so stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do an unboxing from Amazon. It is all my equipment that I just got for my YouTube studio. So I can't wait to actually open up these boxes. I've been waiting for all this stuff for like a little over a week. So I'm super excited. You guys are gonna laugh at me because I absolutely do not have any cameras. I've been recording with my phone. And let me tell you, for years, all I've been using is my phone. The last time I had an actual camera was, I must have been like 17, 18. And it was the ones that you like flip the back up and then you put like the film inside of it. And then you take it out when you're done and take it to Rite Aid or CVS or whatever. That was literally the last time I had a camera. So anyway, let's get into this because I'm super excited. Alright, so first we have, because I have a small tripod now that I started off with. So this is actually a cell phone holder that stretches in and out. Just in case if I do decide to use my new tripod for my cell phone, I have one. So this is just a small little piece from my haul. I think this is the camera. I'm gonna save this one for last. Guys, you don't understand. I'm so excited because my phone has been giving me so many issues with storage and I've been having so much problems with it, but not anymore. Yeah, this is actually the tripod. So the one I have right now is like super flimsy. But this, my friends, I'm gonna link everything below if you guys are interested in any of it. I did like days of research on finding the best affordable equipment. So this is what I found. Comes with a little carrying case. I love it. Look at this. This is nice. Not that I'm going anywhere, but you know, I'll take it. So I thought I wasn't gonna need the instructions, but I think I'm gonna need it because this thing is, okay, fancy. So it's supposed to go up to like 65, I believe, 65 feet up. I'm sorry, 65 feet up, 65 inches up. Anyway, we'll figure that out, how to get it higher. I know it's supposed to go like higher, so we'll figure that out. But this is one of my big purchases. I think this was like 62 or 63 bucks on Amazon. So I'll link it down below. And this, I believe, is my lights. Oh, my bedroom has the worst lighting ever. And that's where I'm gonna mostly be filming. So guys, I'm sorry I had to cut my last video. Unfortunately, the lights that I had ordered for that video were the incorrect ones. So I actually had to re-record that portion of my video. So here it goes. I also did get a couple more things, so I'm glad I'm redoing this set again. So anyway, this is another item I got for my camera. The battery that my camera came with is good. It's a Canon one. It's really good, but it just lasts like 2 to 2.5 hours depending how much you use it. And I felt like I needed more battery life just because I'm learning everything. So it kind of sucks to have to like take the battery out to charge it to put it back in if you only have one. So it's good if you have at least like 2 batteries, so you can like take the one that is dead and then insert another one. So I did buy another set of batteries. So this is the charging station. It plugs in. It's a USB, so you can plug it in. And then it came with another 2 batteries. So not another 2 batteries. It came with 2 batteries. I only have one, and now I have 3, total of 3. So that will come in handy. So that's awesome. And then I also, so here's my lights. I've been waiting for these lights for 3 weeks now. So I'm glad they're in. I can't wait to set them up in my studio room because my lighting in my room is terrible. You guys probably see it a little bit in one of my other videos. But anyway, ooh, this box is heavy. Alright, so it looks like these are the stands. It's supposed to be 2 lights. I'm probably only gonna need one, but at least I have another as a backup if something goes wrong with, you know, the other one. At least to have another one. Oh my God. Alright, so this is the second stand, guys. This is the first one. I opened it up to check it out to see how high it goes because I totally forgot. I'm not gonna open the second one because I don't think I'm gonna need a second light. And here goes the actual light itself. Very cute. It comes in a package and it has like a little bag for it, which is cool. Like if you're gonna take your, I don't plan to take my lights anywhere, but if you do, here it goes. Here goes the light. Very cool. Alright, so here it goes. I guess this is like how you play with the lighting back here. It has the on and off button, batteries, and my batteries look like they're right here. This is the battery. Oh, so yes, these don't come with like batteries, like portable batteries. You have the options to buy them separately. I didn't. I just have to plug into the wall because, like I said, I don't plan on moving them, so I'm okay with that. Pretty awesome. I wonder how high the dim goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so I just plugged it in and I guess that's the brightest it goes, which is awesome. That's a yellow. You can turn that down if you want into the white. I love it. That is freaking awesome. And then there was light. Anyway, so that's my lights, guys. I also got, like I showed you guys, I got the more batteries, and then I also got a screen protector for the screen in the back because you do tend to use this a lot. I've been using my camera for a little bit now, so you do your fingers and everything, and it just gets dirty and nasty. So the last thing I want is for it to like scratch or anything, so I bought a screen protector as well. I can't show you guys because it's not in yet. It's coming in sometime today. So back to my original video. Yeah! I can't wait to open up this. Yeah! Alright guys, so this camera I got, oh, I've been watching so many YouTube videos on this specific camera, so I'm very excited. I got the Canon M50. I got the creator kit, so I'm really excited. It's supposed to come with a camera, the lens, the SD card, and a microphone. I'm super official now. Alright, so here's the microphone. It's a Rode microphone. So let's see what this looks like. It's so lightweight. It's supposed to be lightweight. So that's awesome because it's supposed to go on top of your camera. So I'm assuming that's why they make it so light. I'm new to this world, so. Alright guys, this is the big event. The big event is coming out. Oh, hold on. SD card. So it came with it is a 32 gig, which is awesome. Can't wait. Oh. Yay! Look at that bad boy. I know to you guys it's probably like nothing, but this is everything for me. So first of all, I got all the pamphlets, the manual, but you know, who cares? We got YouTube nowadays. Looks like a battery charger. It's the camera strap. Hopefully it's a little bit charged so I can like show you guys a picture or two, you know? Hold on, let me wait till the last, hold on. Alright, and this is the lens. Look at this bad boy. Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so let me put everything together, the camera wise, and then I'll come back and show you guys what everything looks like all together. Alright guys, I'm back. So I put everything together. I had to put the string because I'm clumsy and I don't want it to like fall off my hands. I'm gonna put it around me though. Alright, so let's turn this bad boy on. Alright, so it looks like I have to like set everything up. I'm gonna do that off camera. But I just wanted to show you guys my camera and the reasons I got it. Look at that, so fancy. Yo, this camera is so clear. Oh my goodness. So my reasons for getting this camera was, first of all, I'm not saying it was like affordable, but it wasn't like $1,000 or $2,000. Because cameras can be super expensive. But the reason I got this one was, first it has the flip screen that you can, oh hey guys, that you can actually like film and see yourself. I guess from the beginning when you start recording, you kind of want to see you know, whether you're on focus, whether, you know, everything looks good. But it has a viewfinder. So since I'm gonna be doing makeup videos, you know, when you put something in front of it, you kind of like don't know if it like focused. This, it takes like a second supposedly, but it's not, it's like really good. It's really good for vlogging and it's good for pictures. So as long as you set everything up like correctly, like the settings and stuff, it's supposed to be like crisp pictures. So I'm really excited to get this bad boy outside and in my studio. So anyway, I'm excited because this will be the last time that I have to record on my phone. Oh, that phone! I'm not saying my phone was bad. It was decent. It's just I didn't have good lighting, which lighting is everything. And also my storage on my phone, I only have 64 gigs, and my phone is just full of stuff. So I have pictures and stuff, so it just sucked. Every time I recorded, it would stop saying to delete stuff, but I don't have to go through that anymore. So anyway, but that is on my unboxing with me, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like my video, please give me a big thumbs up, and please do not forget to subscribe. Hit that little red button and you are subscribed. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.